on a dark, stormy night, a baby boy was born in a cold workhouse. His name was Oliver Twist. His mother died just after giving birth. Oliver grew up with no family, no love, and very little food. His life was full of sadness and pain. When Oliver was 9 years old, he was sent to work for a man who made coffins. The people there were unkind and cruel. Oliver couldn't take it anymore. One night he ran away. He walked for days, alone, until he reached the big city of London. In London, Oliver met a clever boy named the Artful Dodger. Dodger took him to meet an old man named Fagin. Fagin seemed kind, but he was really a thief. He taught children to steal from people on the streets. Oliver was scared and confused. One day, Oliver went out with Dodger. Dodger stole a wallet from a kind man named Mr. Brownlow. The police caught Oliver, thinking he was the thief. But Mr. Brownlow believed Oliver was innocent. He took Oliver home and gave him love and care. Fagin and a cruel man named Bill Sikes were afraid Oliver would talk to the police. They kidnapped him. But a kind woman named Nancy wanted to help Oliver. She told Mr. Brownlow where he was. Nancy risked everything to save him. When Bill Sikes found out, he killed Nancy. But soon after he died trying to escape. Fagin was caught by the police. Oliver was safe. Mr. Brownlow adopted him and gave him a warm, loving home. At last, Oliver had a family. Nancy felt sorry for Oliver. She knew he was a good boy in a bad situation. Late one night, she left the house quietly and went to find Mr. Brownlow. She told him where Oliver was. Nancy risked everything to help him. When Bill Sikes found out what Nancy did, he became angry. In a moment of rage, he hurt her badly. Soon after, he tried to run away. But while escaping, he fell and died. Justice had begun. The police found Fagin and arrested him. The boys he trained were scared and ran away. Fagin's dark world was finally over. Oliver was free from the dangers of that life. Mr. Brownlow took Oliver into his home. He gave him food, books, and love. For the first time, Oliver had a real family. He was no longer alone. He was safe, and he was happy.